Ever wondered how LinkedIn's algorithm works? How it seems to magically present the most relevant and valuable content tailored to your professional interests and goals? Well, today we delve into the nuts and bolts of this intriguing process, as explained by Grace Collier, a senior product manager at LinkedIn. In essence, LinkedIn's algorithm operates in 4 key steps: classification, ranking, distribution, and feedback. Each step plays a crucial role in ensuring that your LinkedIn feed remains engaging and beneficial to your professional growth. Firstly, in the classification step, the algorithm determines the type and quality of the content. It's here where spam or low-quality posts get filtered out. This ensures that only the most valuable and relevant content makes it to your feed. Next, in the ranking step, each post is assigned a score. This score is based on the likelihood of you engaging with the post, considering factors such as your relationship with the author, the topic of the post, and even the time of posting. This step makes sure that the content you see is not only high quality, but also aligns with your interests and connections. Then, we move to the distribution step. Here, the algorithm decides how widely to show the post to your network and beyond. This decision is based on the performance of the post in the initial ranking and the feedback from users who see it. This step ensures that popular and engaging posts reach the widest possible audience. Finally, we arrive at the feedback step. This is where the algorithm collects and analyzes signals from users who interact with the post. Likes, comments, shares, clicks, views, and dwell time all play a part. These signals are then used to adjust the ranking and distribution of the post over time, ensuring that the most engaging content continues to reach a wide audience. In 2023, there have been some key changes to LinkedIn's algorithm. These include prioritizing content that shares knowledge or advice, strengthening connections among people who know each other, highlighting expert content, encouraging meaningful conversations, and balancing the diversity and relevance of content. All these changes aim to make LinkedIn an even more engaging, informative, and beneficial platform for its users. In summary, LinkedIn's algorithm is a sophisticated system designed to show you the most relevant and valuable content. It operates in 4 steps: classification, ranking, distribution, and feedback. It filters out spam, ranks posts based on your likelihood to engage, distributes content based on post performance and user feedback, and adjusts rankings over time. The recent changes to the algorithm further enhance its ability to provide a personalized, engaging, and professionally beneficial experience for all LinkedIn users. Remember, it's all about creating and engaging with quality content. So, go ahead, share your insights, add value to discussions, and make the most of your LinkedIn experience.